Hi there, it's Chef Anthony Serrano with GoodCook, and today I'm going to share with you my secrets to building the perfect burger bar. Sounds tasty, right? Well, what do you say we get cooking and have some fun? I always love serving a healthier burger alternative with my burger bar. One of my favorites is a chicken burger. I start with lean ground chicken, then I add kosher salt, breadcrumb, powder ranch dressing mix. I then use my GoodCook garlic mincer to mince in fresh garlic. Then mix it all together just until the ingredients are incorporated. You don't want to overmix it. I use a measuring cup to divide the meat into equal patties. Making the patties the same size is going to help us cook everything at the same time. I place them on a sheet tray as I'm making my patties. When I'm ready to start grilling, I heat up a GoodCook cast iron pan to medium heat with a little bit of avocado oil. I flip the burgers every 3 to 4 minutes and I cook them until they reach an internal temperature of 165 degrees. Remove them from the heat and allow them to rest. I like making a fresh burger sauce to serve on my burger bar. An easy one is a Chipotle ranch sauce that goes great with a chicken burger. I make it by combining sour cream, mayonnaise, Chipotle powder, powdered ranch dressing mix, and lemon juice. Mix it all together and store it in the fridge until needed. An awesome time saver when you're building a burger bar is using a GoodCook mandolin to slice your toppings. I use it to slice my tomatoes, onions, pickles, and even when making potato chips. Another tasty topping is serving pineapples with your burger bar. The sweetness and that acidity is great on your burger, but it also goes great on the side. I always like serving different bun options, but one of my go-tos is always a lettuce bun. To get that lettuce extra crispy, I soak them in cold water in my GoodCook salad spinner for a few minutes before I dry the lettuce. To bring it all together, I assemble my burger bar on a large wooden cutting boards and I attach labels to bag clips so that all my toppings and ingredients are labeled. It's a fun and easy way to have a tasty burger bar.